Now what is the equation 1 actually? Wait for 2 minutes. Now what is that? X into dou z by dou x plus y into dou z by dou y is equal to nz. Now this is the equation 1. What we have to find out? We have to find the second partial derivatives with respect to x. That means the entire equation is we have to differentiate with respect to x on both sides, right? For that to partially. Now that means dou by dou x of this LHS, x into dou z by dou x plus y into dou z by dou y, right, is equal to dou by dou x of nz, right, nz. Now here what we are doing, we are differentiating partially with respect to x on both sides. Now this is differentiation of d by dx of a plus b can be written as dA by dx into dB by dx, right? Differentiation of a plus b can be written as d by dA by dx plus dB by dx, simply by distributive property like that. Now I am distributing this differential operator to this first term as well as second term. Now that means dou by dou x of first term, x into dou z by dou x, plus I am distributing this differential operator to second term. That means dou by dou x of y into dou z by dou y is equal to, now this one here n is a constant, right, which is a coefficient of z. That's why I'm taking outside the differentiation symbol. That means dou by dou x of z, right? That's it. Now again come to this one. Now here this is a function u, this is a function v. U is a function of x, v is also a function of x, right? Now we are applying u into v formula. Differentiation of u into v is equal to u into v dash plus u dash into v, right? Similarly this can be differentiated now x into dou by dou x of dou z by dou x plus, now dou by dou x of u means x into v means here dou z by dou x. This is this first term plus now here what we are doing, we are differentiating with respect to x, no, here. Now here y is a coefficient of this thing, right, where z is a function of xy. That's why I am taking outside the differentiation symbol. Dou by dou x of dou z by dou y is equal to n into, this can be written as dou z by dou x only. Now come to here. Now x into this one, dou by dou x of dou z by dou x. The standard notation is dou square z by dou x square plus differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 into dou z by dou x, right, plus now here y into, now we have to differentiate this one with respect to y x means dou square z by dou x dou y you will get. On the right hand side n into dou z by dou x as it is implies x into dou square z by dou x square plus dou z by dou x plus y into dou square z by dou x dou y is equal to n into dou z by dou x, right?